This video is brought to you by Hasa, providing products that deliver clean, healthy water for every aspect of everyday life. The bottom feeder, battery-powered vacuum system, because it sucks to clean pools, so cleaning pools sucks less. And by Skimmer. Skimmer software is trusted by over 30,000 pool service pros across North America. In this video, I'm going to show you the FinWhale Smart Chlorine Dispenser by SunnyWhale. And the FinWhale Smart Chlorine Dispenser automatically maintains the chlorine level so your pool stays clean, clear, and swim ready. And this smart floating dispenser works in 3 ways. It continuously tracks the chlorine, pH, ORP, and temperature. It then interprets the water conditions and determines the chlorine demand. And then it'll respond by adjusting the chlorine to match the demand. And on top are the solar panels, and this is what charges the device as it's floating in the pool. And included is this optional charger, just in case there's not enough sunlight in your area. And on top are the controls. Here's the power button. We're going to turn it on. And the FinWhale dispenses chlorine using Trichlor tablets. And here's where the tablets go. You simply pull up on the whale, turn it, and the FinWhale holds up to 6 Trichlor tablets. I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tablets. And you simply put the basket back into the center of the FinWhale. And put the lid back on. And when you're ready to use the FinWhale, go ahead and remove the cap on the sensor. Pull down on the safety tab there and then twist it off. You want to do this while it's sitting on a table because there is some solution inside here. And this is the free chlorine, pH, and temperature sensor. And if you're not using the FinWhale in the pool and you want to store it, go ahead and put the cap back in with some solution in it. All you would need to do is install the SunnyWhale app on your device. And the app actually works really well. I was able to set up the system and connect it to my Wi-Fi in about 2 or 3 minutes. It was really a quick, easy setup, and I entered all my pool information in there as well. And after I got it connected, the next day I put the FinWhale in the pool. And here's a look at the readings I got within the first hour of putting the FinWhale in the pool. So it took 2 or 3 days for the device to read chlorine in the pool. You can see here the pH is reading 7.9. So I went ahead and added a quart of muriatic acid to the pool and it lowered down the pH in here. And you can also see from the analytics portion that the pH did drop in the pool and it's reading it there. Then I brought the chlorine level up to 5 parts per million, which is the limit for the device at this point. This may change and you may be able to set it for a higher limit later. And at this point it stopped the feeder from releasing chlorine into the pool. And you can also see here the chart is showing the weekly and monthly readings of the device. Again, it's really consistent. Everything is staying within range when I'm adding the chlorine to the pool with the Trichlor tablets. And it seems to be working perfectly fine with adding chlorine to the pool, reading the chlorine level, the ORP, the pH, and water temperature. Make sure to support the sponsors of this YouTube video, Skimmer, The Bottom Feeder, and Hasa. They make this content possible.